25 to life. 24 the game. 7 wonders of the ancient world. 7 sins. 7 blades. Forks for evolution. Forks for EDO2. Love story. //outbreak. //mutation. //infection. //G. Vol. 3//redemption. //G. Vol. 2//reminisce. //G. Vol. 1//rebirth. //G.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.